Hi you guys, it's Camille and today's video is how to get easy beach waves using nothing but a flat iron. I'm gonna show you how I style my hair for every day, but before I do that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss an upload. I found out how to do these flat iron waves from my stylist during my last haircut appointment, and I feel like it totally changed my life in terms of time it takes to get ready and also how to achieve that beachy flat iron curl look. To get my flat iron waves, I use this straightener. This is by GHD, and I like it because it comes with this little silicone cap, not only to keep the straightener closed, but also so that it doesn't heat other items around it after you use it. This GHD straightener is also really convenient for my flat iron waves because you press it and it heats up in 20 seconds, and when it's ready, it'll chime to let you know you're good to go. All right, we're ready to get those flat iron waves. To get my flat iron waves, I like to separate my hair starting from the bottom and then curling all the way up. I like to use these little hair clips from Dry Bar, so I will link those below. I'm gonna start just piecing off a section of my hair. So what's great about these flat iron waves is that the end result is a beachy sort of undone look. So you don't have to be worried about being super precise as you're going through your hair and curling it. So let's talk about technique as you're going through your hair. There's a couple of different ways that I move the flat iron to get my flat iron waves when I'm curling my hair. And the first one is literally just moving your wrist up and patting your hair, and then moving your wrist down to pat your hair. And that's going to give your hair more of like an actual S wave. And this does take a little bit of practice, but once you're used to it, it's actually fairly quick. And like I said, you don't have to be absolutely perfect with these flat iron waves. That is the beauty of this hairstyle, is that it's easy, it's undone, it's kind of messy, and super effortless. So you can see that nice little subtle S wave shape. I'm gonna show you the second way how I move my flat iron to get my flat iron waves on this layer of my hair. For sections around my face, I like to take my flat iron and hold it vertically, and then I like to twist away. So you're literally using your flat iron to curl your hair. And you can see that subtle bend right there, and then the ends of my hair just stay straight, sort of gives it an edgier vibe. I like to rotate between that little S shape and the actual curling of the hair while using my flat iron vertically. And as you're doing this, make sure that you're rotating directions just so that you have a more natural lived-in look. So now that I've done two of those, why don't I get in my little S bend curve with my flat iron. I would spend so much time going like strand by strand, curling my hair, and then trying to get it a little undone, and then going over it with a flat iron to make it just like look more easy. And once I found out this method, my life changed forever. So here's a good one. So a nice subtle little bend, and then that gets mixed in between the vertical curling with the flat iron. And as you unpiece your hair, you don't have to worry about pulling the same amount of hair in every single section. I definitely don't. For me, the more random pieces that you pull, the better. once you have the base of your flat iron waves done, then you can sort of go into different areas and touch up where you need. So for example, right here, I want this just a little more wavy at the bottom. So I'm just gonna come in here really quickly for a touch up and add in a little bit of that subtle bend. Or now I'm seeing that I've overdone it, I'm just gonna take my flat iron, press a little to flatten it out. So now there's a bit of variation. I like to add a little bit of piecey texturedness to my hair after I'm done getting these flat iron waves. So I use 3 different products: a dry shampoo, a texturizing spray, and then a separation spray to get more of a piecey look at the ends of my hair. So first up is this. This is dry shampoo from Living Proof. I like to lift my hair, spray just a little under the root. It also absorbs excess oil while giving your hair volume. So this is a must-have for me on 2nd and 3rd day hair. And then I like to add this. This is Orbe's Dry Texturizing Spray. This is one of my holy grail products. I'll spray this guy all over. Just get in there, spray it. It adds amazing volume. Already you can see that like the texture of my hair and these flat iron waves is totally coming out. And then for the big finish, I like to add a little bit of separation spray just to give my ends a little bit of a piecey feel. You definitely don't have to do this, but I love this product. This is by Davines. This is their Definition Mist. And you just add a little bit to your ends. And then you go through and sort of just tousle the bottoms, and it gives it just a little bit more of that pieced out feel. That's it, my easy flat iron wave tutorial using nothing but a flat iron. If you liked today's video, make sure that you leave it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments you have. I'm linking everything I use in the description below, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel to make sure that you never miss an update. Bye!